How to search for story effects on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram and log into your account. At the bottom, click on the plus sign. After you click on the plus sign at the bottom, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the bottom, click on Story. After it's switched to Story, you'll find all the filters on the right side. Simply scroll to the left side, and at the end, you'll find Browse Effects. Click on Browse Effects, and here you'll be able to find any effects you want. You can also click on the magnifying glass at the top left in here, and then simply search for the effect you want as well. After you have searched the effect to use, simply click on the effect. After you've clicked on it, it will be applied in your video. This is how to search for story effects on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.